So this fidget pack comes with a number of different fidgets. The first one is these rings. So these are the magnetic rings. They come apart and you can sit here, and I'm not great at it, but those that are, sit there and fidget with them, and the rings stay together really well, even if you're not good, like me, at fidgeting with them. So I need some practice with this, but if you look close, they've got a nice design on them. They've got a ridge here. There's a ridge right here, and that's where all of the rings line up together. You can see the size of them. They fit, I've got very thin fingers, so they would fit larger fingers if needed. Now the next one is this little fidget ball thing. So it rotates around. You can use your fingers to just sit here and spin it, and it'll spin in all different directions. So this one's actually kind of fun to play with. Hold it in one hand, use the other hand to roll and spin it, or use your thumb to sit there and just spin and roll. This one's a hard plastic, and then on the inside you should see the rings that are in there. So it just rolls around like that. The next one is this disc. So this one you can just sit and fidget with. It rotates around, and the discs kind of go in and out, and you can sit here and just play with it endlessly, and it's a fun little fidget toy. Then we've got this little worm guy. This one's actually kind of really fun. It feels really good in your hand. You can hold one hand, you can spin it around. It makes some noise, but it is kind of fun. It moves in every which direction, so it makes it fun to sit there and just play with it. So I do that. This one is actually probably my favorite out of this fidget pack. The last one is these little balls. They don't come apart, so they just twist around, and you can just twist it into different shapes if you want. Twist in that way, all around. It's not a smooth twist. It does take a little bit of a force, but it is kind of fun to twist and see if you can get it out into a circle, and then you can twist it all back in to different shapes that you would want. So those are the 5 fidget toys that come in this little fidget pack.